in a few weeks, actually.
Where is it at?
Oh, for the coast is here in Ventura at the fairgrounds. Oh, we have to go this way? Whoa. What's going on right now? Wait, oh my God. Let's go. Come on, let's go. I don't thank God.
Oh my.
It's okay, we fall professionally.
But not great.
Yeah. What
Oh
happened?
my God. I stopped myself and I just went flying.
Stop it, or it's gonna
I never thought one of those parking things were.
I did the same thing.
Oh my God, that hurts so bad. Here, smoke a cigarette. It'll make you feel better.
This is really hard ground. Can't even roll. Oh my gosh. Right?
I did not notice that was steeper.
I know.
Dude, I thought we were going out where we were last time, so I was expecting, a flat little courtyard like last time. Then
Flat little courtyard.
Oh my God! I can't even skate on flat ground. What's going on?
What's really going on?
Seriously, I still can't skate at the rink. Like, holy shit.
This is funny. All of a sudden, they see these girls like roller skate. I should get this on video. I should have got.
You should.
I videotaped the whole thing, but it was in my bra.
You should. Oh my